Yeah, yeah. You've been feeling kinda off, can't explain it, just a lot. Low energy, mind fog, body saying hold up, stop. Not everything needs fixing, not everything's a fight. Sometimes it's what you're missing that helps you feel right. Deep inside your system knows there's a switch you haven't turned on. Give it the green light, let it work from the root to the way your cells convert. Neutralize what don't belong, turn it on where your body's strong. Green light, let it flow, your body knows just what to do. Green light, let it flow. Your body knows just what to do. Cruciferous on your plate, yeah, it's simple, not too late. Little things that hit deep, helping systems while you sleep. Free radicals get quiet, inflammation starts to slow. Liver doing what it's meant to, now you finally know. It's not magic, it's support. It's your body at its core. Give it the green light, let it work from the leaf to the way your genes convert. Support the flow, detox right, not by force, but what's inside. Green light, let it grow, your body knows what it needs most. Broccoli, kale, yeah, you've seen it before, but now you know what it's really for. Not just food, it's communication, cell protection, activation. Give it the green light, let it work, everything's connected underneath the surface.